My name is Mike, working with Secure Data here, and what we have is our hardware encrypted storage device line. So right here we have our Secure Drive KP. We also have it in a smaller thumb drive version, ranging from 8 gigabyte all the way up to an 8 terabyte SSD at this size here. And basically they're hardware encrypted, and if you don't know the password, you can't get into it. So with these here, you're entering in a 7 to 15 digit PIN number directly into the drive, and then once it's unlocked, it works like a normal hard drive. Our newer products over here, which we actually won NAB Product of the Year over in Vegas recently, is the Secure Drive BT and the Secure USB BT. So it's the same type of hardware encryption, except for with these you're unlocking with a mobile device. So you're using any Android or Apple tablet or smartphone, and you're connecting wirelessly via Bluetooth to unlock the drives. But there's a lot of unique things that you can do with this, such as remote wipe, there's two-factor authentication, there's password retrieval, and there's a whole remote management platform. So if you're trying to manage multiple drives, you can set geofencing and time fencing on them and things like that. But they're all FIPS validated, our entire line, so we have a government validation saying that these are encrypted and they're legitimate, so we are certified with the government as well. And that's what we're showing today.